Aesop wrote this one about 2,500 years ago. A mother crab tells her son to walk straight. He says, "Show me how." She can't. That's the whole lesson, and it lands in about 12 seconds. What you're about to watch is Medhavy asking a simple question. If a kid sees it first, glowing eyes, steampunk claws, a beach full of attitude, does the reading hit different afterward? We genuinely don't know yet. That's why we're running the experiment.
Said Mother Crab with quite a frown, "Why do you always scuttle round? You zig and zag, you bend and sway. Why not walk straight like folks today?" The little crab looked up and blinked and gave her words a thoughtful think. "I'd love to walk in just one line. Please show me how, and I'll be fine." "Well, this is how," she said with flair, and skittered sideways through the air. "No, wait," she gasped, "it's more like this." His leftward limbs went all amiss. She tried to march both firm and proud, but veered off sideways through a cloud. She spun in sand, she danced a jig, then tripped upon a kelpie twig. Her son just smiled, polite and bright, and didn't laugh, though he just might. "I think," he said with gentle grace, "you walk quite sideways every place. So maybe, Mom, before you preach, you learn the thing you plan to teach. When you can walk the way you say, I'll follow right. Just name the day." And off he scuttled, light and free, back to the rock beside the sea. For sometimes kids, though small and spry, can see the truth that grown-ups shy.